everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abhinya Menon, a personal stylist, image consultant and a certified makeup artist. Today I will be talking about a very amazing topic, that is how to turn your sari blouses into everyday tops. So basically all the women out there, they have lots of sari blouses and they are only restricted to saris. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि हम सिर्फ ब्लाउजेस को साड़ीज़ के साथ पहनते हैं, हम उनको अदर चीज़ों के साथ, अदर गारमेंट्स के साथ क्यों नहीं पहन पाते हैं? Your wardrobe should be a reflection of your lifestyle and it should be in a way that आप उसको हर particular outfit के साथ team up कर सको. I will be sharing 5 amazing tips, sari blouse tips in the end of this video, so stay tuned for those amazing tips. Let's talk about the first look. A beautiful halter neck top. It is a silk top, tailor-made. All these blouses are tailor-made, which I'm going to showcase. And I'm pairing this particular halter neck with a high-rise pants. So it complements each other really well, solid on solid. It gives more space. इसमें आपको बहुत आराम से you can add and distract things as per your taste and liking. So it's all black. So I will definitely add a dash of red lipstick to make it look outstanding for a night look. And then here I'm using a black bag. I'm using some earrings, and then the heels, they have golden details, a belt which has a golden buckle. So basically my whole look revolves around black and gold, which definitely is a master stroke when it comes to styling. So yes, that was number 1. Next particular look is all about this green gorgeous blouse, which is again a very favorite of mine. I'm going to pair this green with a beige trouser. It looks great together. The color combination is very rich and posh. Aap ye pakka try karna, it looks great. So just to give more interest to this particular plain blouse, I'm going to add a statement necklace. The statement necklace is going to get all the attention here. A brown belt with buckle, straight leg pant which is breathable, it is pleated, it is high rise. That makes a great combination. A brown bag to match it with the brown belt, and yes, a very beautiful golden sandals to match it with all the golden details here. So that is the whole look. Let me know how did you like it. Let me know if you're going to style it super soon, and do tag me along. The last and the final look for us is this maroon velvet blouse. This is a gorgeous blouse from Amazon and it turned out by fluke कि मुझे ये दिख गया और मैंने खरीद लिया. But it is a beautiful sweetheart neckline, and यहाँ मैंने क्या किया, मैंने again solids के साथ, क्योंकि I don't want to experiment much since the glamour is already there in the blouse. It is velvet. So मैंने उसको consider करके इसको simple एक high rise pants के साथ पहना है, जो कि इसके glamour को balance करता है. Reason why solid works for many body types, because first ये आपको लंबा दिखाता है, solid on solid, and दूसरे it makes your body look slender, since the eye is going, the visual appearance of this outfit is going to be top to bottom and bottom to top. It is not going to be side to side. So it's all maroon here and it turns out a great color for me. It just makes my skin glow. And next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to add small earrings with it, since I don't want to take away the beauty of this blouse. So just small earrings, little bit of a fresh makeup and loosen up hair. Before leaving, I would love to give 5 points, just like I promised you in the beginning of the video. Number 1 style point, the length of your blouse. Always keep, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपको एक particular blouse के साथ बहुत styling करनी है, with skirt, with trousers, with anything as a bottom wear, as a separate, आप please उस blouse के length को थोड़ा लंबा रखें, not like absolutely short ones, at least till the last rib cage of your body. So that works with everything. Number 2, the size of the blouse. Always keep the size little breathable, little comfortable, rather than super skinny and tacky. That helps you not get bulges around the tummy area. Number 3, the necklines. Always go for sharp necklines. That will give you a very sleeker look, that will make your upper body look little longer and leaner. Number 4, the sleeves of your blouse. The sleeves, if you are not comfortable wearing cut sleeves and you're conscious about arms, always offer these lines which comes just around your armhole, and that will give a very defined arms rather than those flimsy straps. Accessories. Never forget to accessorize yourself. Accessory can actually change the whole vibe of the outfit which you're wearing. If you feel to look western, add western jewelry. अगेन अगर आप सेम ब्लाउज पहन रहे हैं लेकिन आप उसको एथनिक वेयर में पहनना चाहते हैं, योर ज्वेलरी विल स्पीक फॉर यू. सो ऑलवेज ऑप्ट ज्वेलरी अकॉर्डिंगली, व्हाट मैसेज you want to give and what vibe you want to portray or attract. So yes, those were some amazing points. I'm Abhinya Menon, image consultant and personal stylist. You can follow me on Instagram to see all the small snippets and small reels of mine doing little bit of styling there. You can DM me there to book your consultation as well. I take personal consultation for improving your style game with everyday life. Bye bye. Stay stylish and stay elegant.